A sole proprietorship is the simplest business form for one person. Let us look at what it means for your taxes and liability. In this structure, you and the business are legally viewed as the same entity. There is no separation between your personal and business assets. Because you are the sole owner, you hold full responsibility for any debts or legal issues the business might encounter. Most people choose this path for its simplicity. You report income and expenses directly on your personal tax return using a form called Schedule C. The main difference between a sole proprietorship and an LLC is the level of legal protection provided to your personal assets. While sole proprietorships require the least amount of paperwork, they offer no legal shield against business liabilities. Even if your business is simple, maintaining separate bank accounts helps you stay organized and makes tax time much easier. Consult with a tax professional regarding your business structure. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more finance basics.